Ah, this should be easy. 1 truck and 2 trailers. Let's see. Nothing to it. Oh no, the truck's not running. It's off. I wouldn't cheat you. Nissan Mud Beast. Here we go. Nissan Mud Beast, take 2. Nissan Mud Beast, take 3. By the way, the Parker brake was on. And you guys have already seen me pull the custom truck cab camper. I'll leave you a card right here. Mail call time. Some kind of package. And some more paper. Mail call again, just came back from the post office. P.O. Box 687, Caroline, Florida, Chud 327, if you want to send me something. Oh, it's another Olight flashlight. Baton. Magnetic rechargeable EDC flashlight. EDC everyday carry. 2,000 lumens. Wow. All the way from 5 to 2,000. 5 lasts 9 days. I'm gonna have to go camping tonight. Let me grab the other one so we can compare the two. That one slides downhill too. Okay, here's the one we just opened. It is a Olight Baton Pro. Pro means twice as bright. This is the original that they sent me. Olight SR1 Baton 2. Almost too small. This one fits in your hand really good. It's perfect hand size. And twice as bright. And not only that, they use the same exact base for charging. That's going to be very convenient. Nice carry bag. When you get ready to charge, magnetics, USB. And a lanyard. Let's get that on there. I should put it on this one because it's smaller. I've not tested it yet, but I believe this one went from favorite light to second favorite, and this is my new favorite. But if you look over here, daytime, we'll do a full review tonight. Same functions as the other flashlight. Push one, turns it on. Hold it down, changes the intensity. Push it twice, super bright. And you can push it 3 times, strobe. And then in the box, they gave me a little message. Thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. I do plan to enjoy. And thank you. Camp night has started. The charcoal has been lit. We got sausages that are waiting. I'm sitting here with my new Olight flashlight Pro. Love that little guy. That's on the medium setting. Oh, and we made a circle around, kind of like when you circle the wagons. Let's see if I can turn on some bright and you can see what we got. We got the Chewy van, truck bed trailer 1, truck bed trailer 2. We got the Z71. Murray came along. Colonel came along. And we've got the, what do you call it? Custom truck cab camper. And the Nissan Beast is here. And that's the way home.
This is our home.
This is our home. Out at the campsite with the Olight Baton Pro. It's getting late. We've been out here probably 3 hours. It's still got a green light. It's on the lowest setting right now. If we hold it down, that's 600 lumens. If we double click and go for turbo, compared to the SR1, here's the SR1. Feels like this is more of a flood and the SR1 is more of a spotlight. That's the SR1. You can see a definite circle pattern with it. When we go over to the Baton Pro, it's a wider beam. I think I prefer a wider beam. Gets my hand better, batteries last longer, brighter, and a wider beam. And if we do the triple click, strobe. So I'm out on my mower after dark and I'm shining my headlights. These are the stock headlights on the mower shining on my tailgate on my trailer. Here's the Baton Pro, and that's the low setting. Let's go turbo. Basically, the headlights on the lawnmower don't even exist. Let me show you those again. At least we made it out of the woods before we ran out of gas. Out of gas. There's a frog. Blinded by the light. Turbo. I've got the light on my hat. I was almost hands-free on the mower except I had to hold this phone. We could do a cell phone light versus the Baton Pro. That's about as bright as the lawnmower headlights. That's cell phone light. Baton Pro 600 lumen. 2000 lumen. Let's do a tiny house tour brought to you by Olight. By the way, discount code SHUD327 gets you a discount if you want to order one. October 1st only. That's tomorrow if you're watching this on the release date. Got a bed downstairs right by the air conditioner. Used to have the bed upstairs away from the air conditioner up in the loft. There's still a bed up there, but this big improvement right in front of the air conditioner. Did I say that already? It has power, but I want to use the Olight. All right, let's get back out. It's hot in here. Again, promo code SHUD327. So in the comparison between the Baton Pro and the Baton 2, the Pro is better in every way I can think of. Fits your hand better, batteries last longer, it's brighter, but this one is a better hat light. It fits the bill of my hat better with room to spare. I was just riding this one in the woods on the mower. It works fine. It's not going anywhere, but say if you were to wear it underneath, it would come back and hit your forehead. It's a little bit heavier. Other than that, new favorite flashlight.